In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a vertical scroll in Figma. Let's launch the Figma app. In the top right menu, click on Design. In the bottom menu, click on Frame and create a frame on the canvas. Double-click on the frame title and let's change the name to Content Container. Now let's add some outline to the frame. In the right side menu, click on Stroke. Let's increase the stroke width to 2 points. Now we have to create some dummy content to fill in the frame we created. In the bottom menu, click on the rectangle shape and create some dummy content. Now copy the dummy content by pressing Alt on the keyboard and dragging it. Now that we have 2 of them, select both pieces of content. Right-click on the selected content. In the pop-up menu, click on Add Auto Layout. In order to make a scrolling effect, we need the contents to overflow the container. So we need to create more content to fill up the whole frame. Select the second rectangle, then duplicate the rectangle multiple times by pressing Ctrl+D on the keyboard. This way, all of the duplicates will stay inside the layout. In the left side menu, click on File to see the layers of the project. Now drag the content into the content container. Now you should be careful about one thing. In the left side menu, check if the content is inside the container layer, because the content might not always go inside the container layer automatically. This can happen when you're using an older version of Figma or when using multiple base frames. If the content isn't inside the container, you need to drag the content layer inside the container layer. In the left side menu, click on Content Container. In the right side menu,
check if the Clip Content option is turned on.
Because if it's turned off, the content may overflow outside the container. So you need to keep this turned on. Now let's tidy things up a bit and resize the content according to the container. In the right side menu, give 10 points of padding to each side. Now select the content container again and click on Prototype. In the Prototype menu, go to the Overflow section and click on No Scrolling. Change the option to Vertical. Now let's run the project. Here you can see that we have successfully created a vertical scrolling effect. Following these steps, you can make a vertical scroll easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.